It's Jess from Head to Toe Health. We're going to run through some exercises to release the ribs and the associated muscles. So first of all, you're going to place the hand with a broad contact over the ribs on one side of the body. As we move to one side and bend to that side, we're going to exhale as we go, and we're going to encourage the opening up of the ribs with the hand that's on the trunk there. So going to the side and making an S as we open up the ribs with the hand. So we're always encouraging that opening and imagining those ribs separating as we're going to the side. And then inhale on the way up. So you're going to do 6 of those each side. For the next exercise, grab a towel or some TheraBand. You're going to wrap the towel around the side of the body and hold on to one side. So in this position, you're going to side bend slightly, and then as you breathe in and out, you're going to try and expand through the side that's attached with the towel. So breathing in and opening up those ribs, imagining the separation of those ribs, and then closing down the ribs as you come in. So opening up the ribs, you've got a slight pressure on the towel, just so your body can feel that and the proprioceptors can adjust accordingly. So breathing in as you go down and out as you come up. So do that 6 times each side. And then, using the towel, just rub over that area, moving the towel backwards and forwards. This will warm up the area and create more blood flow.